Today we are doing a mango challenge, and I'm here with some special guests.
Navika.
Monday.
Suki. So this challenge will be like everybody have 10 mango, but Kate there first because I know that she's a baby. So I have to try eat up 10 mangoes within 3 minutes. Y'all ready? Let's get ready. One,
2, 3.
Go.
Mama!
Let's not laughing, man. It means the word seriously. Time is going to the 30-second God already.
Katie done one.
That can't work, you know? What's up? I'm still at one more time still in that. 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
We just eat a worm!
It's in my teeth.
No.
I'm anything but.
Dad!
What's up? This Africa edit.
Nobody not ready to make a video for it. No, I'm just a stop. Just a stop. All of them over there, stop. All of them over there. Disqualified.
I'll put it. That's your feedback on them.
Worm. Up here, worm.
I'll style, put this style in there.
No, Bria. No, Bria, up here, worm.
When you make sure you pick up, take out the worm.
No, fit again.
You're tear jewel.
Hey, Katie. Katie should have done it up. You done, Suki.
I mean, I think this guy over you do. Should I be there?
Alright. Alright.
30 seconds to go. 30 seconds, people. I guess we have ourselves a winner soon.
Oh, look like a Katie. I take this, you know. Bomba, Katie, no winner, panda. Katie, run.
9 seconds to go, people. 9 seconds.
Come, Katie, stop by. Come, Katie.
9
Done.
seconds,
Come.
people.
No, you're not done. You're not done. I feel mango still left in there. You're not done. How much seconds?
I'm done.
Katie, win.
That's it.
Katie, win. Who's the winner, Katie?
Katie won.
Katie, win. Katie, win. Katie, win. No, this one not good. Katie, win.
I hope you
Katie
guys
win.
enjoy this challenge. Although,
Disqualified. Of course. Winner.
although
Jacoby. Y'all get some vitamins.
Excuse. Michaela, put this in there. Now go ask me. Come in, don't I?
Katie pan.
Empty.
Mine to look. Mine to look. Mango. I hate mango.
I hope you all enjoy this challenge because boy, this one's
We'll not
hectic.
do it again.
No man. Me eat, me see worm, but me still peel off and eat treat and all of them something about. And thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy, remember to like and leave a comment below. See you next time. Just like enjoy the mango still.
I see our mango there grow because that's okay.
Bye, guys.